Hey guys, this side Inder from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy M31, or I would say Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Edition. So we finally got a new update after waiting for nearly about 2 to 3 months with the security patch level of 1 June 2021, which is quite good. And basically this particular update was started seeding on yesterday itself, and I got today itself, so I thought let's create a video on that as well. So if we'll go by the changelog, then it is mentioning that added new feature like clipboard, enhanced quick share, and so apart to this, few common things which are being mentioned in each and every update, like device stability improvement, few bugs have been improved, and so on. So the total size of this particular update is 713 MB approximately. Before we jump into the downloading process, let me confirm you that before the latest update with which it was One UI Core 3.1 and with the security patch level of 1 March 2021. So let's jump into the installation process, and once it will be completed, then we'll verify a few other things with respect to software information, if something else has been updated with respect to like One UI Core version 3.1 has been changed to 3.2 or not. I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing it. So let me just tap on downloading button and proceed with the installation process. So finally update has been successfully installed. So now let's move to settings section and afterward to the about phone section to verify whether any other thing has been updated or not. So earlier we were on One UI Core version 3.1 and we are still on that. But with respect to security patch level, they have updated from 1 March 2021 to 1 June 2021. So this was all for this particular video, where we see that latest update has been available for Samsung Galaxy M31 and M31 Prime Edition. Apart to this, if you will face any major issue, then you can post in the comment section below. If I'll be facing the same, then I'll try my level best to see if we can resolve it, either by asking Samsung, like discussing the same on Samsung forums or Samsung discussion forums. And so if any resolution will be there, then I'll surely be creating a video on that. So this was all from my side. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.